crankbait just came out, which is kind of good because this is a big, mean looking fish. Okay, here goes.